Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to turn off your phone. To do it, simply tap on power key and now click on power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your device by tapping on OK. Once your device is locked, switched off, tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And once you are in boot mode, you have to select recovery mode. Here we can navigate by using volume up key, so simply go to recovery mode by using volume up key and then select it by tapping on volume down key. Once you are in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up and down keys, you have to locate wipe cache partition. Here it is, and now for selection you have to use power key. Click on it and now go to yes, confirm that you would like to wipe cache partition here, and this is it. It has been done, so now we can reboot system to the normal mode. So let's simply click on power key, reboot system now. And this is it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so you can use your device in a normal way as cache has been wiped. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.